Mizoram is a state in northeast India with Aizawl as its capital city. The name of the state is derived from Mizo, the self-described name of the native inhabitants, and Ram, which in the Mizo language means land. Mizoram sharing borders with three of the seven sister states, namely Tripura, Assam, and Manipur. The state also shares a 722-kilometer border with the neighboring countries of Bangladesh and Myanmar. Like several other northeastern states of India, Mizoram was previously part of Assam until 1972, when it was carved out as a union territory. In 1986, the Indian Parliament adopted the 53rd Amendment of the Indian Constitution, which allowed for the creation of the state of Mizoram on 20th February 1987 as India's 23rd state. Mizoram is one of three states of India with a Christian majority, 87%. Its people belong to various Christian denominations, being mostly Presbyterians in the north and Baptists in the south. There are lots of beautiful and amazing locations in Mizoram to travel and stay. But today we highlight a very beautiful tourist spot of Mizoram, Vantawng Waterfall Mizoram. Mizoram boasts of having the 13th highest waterfall in the country, Vantawng Waterfalls. This is one of the major tourist attractions in Mizoram. The Vantawng Waterfall is located in the Vanba River and is 137 kilometers away from the capital city of Aizawl. Watching the waterfalls gushing from a height between the valleys and the dense jungles is a sight to behold. The spectacular view of the Mizoram waterfalls can leave you in trance and give you an unforgettable experience. The Vantawng Waterfall is located 5 kilometers south of Thanjavur in Sarchip district in the Indian state of Mizoram. Vantawng Waterfall or Vantawng Falls is the highest and most spectacular of the waterfalls and cascades in the fast-flowing rivers of Mizoram. It is located in Vanba River near Thanjavur and is named after Vantawng, who was said to be an excellent swimmer. So good a swimmer was Vantawng that he could hover in the cascading water like a fish, but unfortunately during one of such performances, a drifting log fell from above and killed him.